when May is rushing over you with desire to be part of the miracles you see in every hour. You know it's true that you are blessed and lucky. It's true that you are touched by something that'll grow and bloom in you. These are days. These are the days you might fill with laughter until you break. These days you might feel a shaft of light make its way across your face, and when you do, you'll know how it was meant to be. See the signs, know their meaning. It's true. You know how it was meant to be. Hear the signs and know they're speaking.
Birthday, B. We love you.
90 years of fabulous. You're amazing, so classy, so beautiful, so creative, so smart. We look up to you so much, and we're so excited to celebrate you and everything you've done in this beautiful life, and we're so proud to be yours. Love you. Say bye, bye, B. Say love you, B-Bird.
Listen, baby, ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough, baby.
If you need me, call me. No matter where you are, no matter how far.
Don't worry, baby.
Just call my name. I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry, 'cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no valley low enough. Ain't no river wide enough
To keep me from getting to you, baby. Remember the day I set you free. I told you you could always count on me, darling. From that day on, I made a
Happy birthday, B. 90 trips around the sun. You made an impact on all of us. We love you because it was B-Bird who taught us all how to fly. Happy birthday!
Ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, baby. Oh no, darling.
No wind, no rain, or winter's cold can stop me, baby.
No, no, baby.
'Cause you are
If
my
you're ever in
love.
trouble, I'll be there on the double. Just send for me, oh baby.
My love is alive, way down in my heart, although we are miles apart.
If you ever need a helping hand, I'll be there on the double, just as fast as I can. And don't you know that there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low.
Happy birthday, B-Bird.
From Katie, RJ, and Jax at the Chicago beaches. On your 90th birthday, I wanted to thank you for some of the gifts and the lessons that you've given us over the years. To always cherish family, to always do your best, to never stop learning, and most importantly of all, to always admire and appreciate all the beauty in this world. Cheers to 90 years of love and memories, and here's to many more. Love you.
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid
Hey B-Bird! It's the Tampa Wyatts here. We just wanted to say how much we love and miss you and that you're the best grandmother in the whole wide world. I still think about all the great family vacations we took to Holden Beach, to the Meadows of Ash, and to the Greenbrier.
We're so thankful for all of your beautiful artwork that we have displayed throughout our home. It's our favorite part of our house. We love you so much, and we hope you have the best birthday.
Happy 90th, B-Bird. We love you.
That we look upon should tumble and fall, or the mountain should crumble to the sea. I won't cry, no I won't shed a tear, just as long.
Happy birthday, B-Bird! We love you. Say happy birthday, Lorelai. Happy birthday. We wish we could be there with everyone. Have the best day ever.
Whoa, stand now, stand by me, stand by me.
Wait. Stop what you're doing right now. Because it is the most lovely woman's birthday ever. It's B-Bird's birthday. It's her 90th birthday. And we love and care for her so much. This message was brought to you by Fitz from Denver, Colorado. Love and miss you guys.
Hey B-Bird.
Hi, B-Bird.
Happy birthday.
We love and miss you.
We hope you have a great day. Enjoy celebrating. Happy birthday, B! We love you so much.
I hope you have an amazing day and year. We can't believe you're 90. You look great. We love you so much. And yeah, just sending all of our love to you.
Yep, you're the best grandma we could ask for, and I hope you have a great day spending the time with all of our uncles and moms and dads. Love you, B.
Love you so much. Mwah.